Becoming a head of product is not only an important career goal for many product people, the role also plays a crucial part in establishing a successful product management organization. Unfortunately, I find that it is not always effectively applied. In this video, I'll address this issue and I'll explain what a head of product should really do. I'm product management expert Roman Pichler. I have advised product leaders for over 15 years and I've written a book about leadership called How to Lead in Product Management. Depending on the company's size and org structure, a head of product might also be referred to as Director of Product Management, VP Product, and Chief Product Officer. But to do a great job, the individual playing the role should take care of the following 4 core responsibilities. First, develop the individual product people. Second, develop the product management group. Third, help develop the organization. And fourth, practice self-leadership. Let's look into these duties in more detail. Effectively developing individual product people starts with making sure that they understand their role and responsibilities and that they have the authority required to do a great job. It continues with agreeing specific outcomes and goals and determining the right learning and development measures. These should support the individuals in their current job and help them grow as product professionals. Sample measures might be one-on-one coaching sessions and instructor-led training courses. As the head of product, you should act as a sparring partner and trusted advisor who offers constructive feedback and help. At the same time, don't forget to hold the individuals accountable for meeting their commitments. The second main responsibility is to develop a group of product people, the product management team. This means connecting the individuals to form a cohesive group and hiring new people. To encourage people to connect and build trust, consider organizing team building measures. For instance, a joint social activity like bowling or an off-site team meeting. Additionally, remove impediments that are blocking people like insufficient empowerment and the lack of scrum masters. Encourage everyone to work at a sustainable pace so that they stay healthy and motivated and don't become overworked, fall ill, and possibly quit their jobs. Finally, make sure that the collection of products, the product portfolio, is proactively managed. This involves harmonizing the individual product strategies and roadmaps, coordinating major releases, and resolving dependencies. As important as it is to develop the individual product people and the product management team, it's not enough. To do a great job and maximize the value of their products, the individuals need the right environment, an organization that is supportive of their work, that empowers them to take ownership of their products, and that makes people feel safe to speak their minds. And it's your job as the head of product to help create such an environment, for example, by lobbying for the necessary organizational development measures. This is best done by being a member of the leadership team and building strong connections with the other heads. With all these responsibilities, it can be easy to work too hard and too much as the head of product, but this will be a mistake. In the worst case, you'll become exhausted and experience burnout. It's therefore important that you practice self-leadership and look after yourself. Make sure that your workload is sustainable and that you stay healthy and motivated. Don't forget to make time to reflect on your work, to strengthen your skills, develop as a leader, and get better at guiding others. Now you might be wondering if I've missed determining the product strategy as a responsibility of the head of product, as it's often associated with the role. I haven't, and here's why. I recommend that you enable and empower the product people to own the strategies of their products instead of making strategic product decisions yourself. This avoids that you become a bottleneck and possibly overworked, and it increases ownership and motivation of the product team members. It may mean, though, that you have to help the individuals acquire the relevant knowledge, for example, by sending them to one of my training courses. I hope you found this video helpful. You can learn more about successfully working as a head of product by attending my workshops and by reading my book, How to Lead in Product Management. Thank you for watching.